Is CanSino vaccine, Convidexia, safe and effective? CanSino vaccine, adenovirus 5-based COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by CanSino Biologicals, is a non-replicative adenovirus vector-based vaccine that received WHO emergency use listing in May 2022. The WHO emergency use listing process evaluates the quality of manufacturing along with safety and efficacy of the vaccine. All of the vaccines that have achieved WHO emergency use listing can be considered safe and highly effective in preventing severe disease and hospitalization due to COVID-19. As of 31 December 2021, about 58 million doses of adenovirus-based CanSino vaccine have been distributed worldwide. This vaccine is recommended for people aged 18 years and above.